Here we are on the west side of Woodstock. And if you're looking for a piece of property, or better yet, over a half an acre, might I suggest to you this lovely 1.5 story on Beachville Road. It and the property, I'm sure you'll think, is bigger than you think. Now there's 3 routes inside this beautiful 1.5 story, but we're gonna go through the front door. Off the deck, that's, well, bigger than you think. And from the second level of this beautiful front porch, you can enjoy a lovely January sunset. And come the summertime, I think the eyes of your loved ones will be bigger than they think when they look over the beautiful June sunset over this bright and massive expanse. Let's get inside. Welcome to the front foyer. I think you're gonna like this home. This front window and side window are way bigger than you think. That's why the light in this home is so phenomenal. But also what's fantastic is this renovated kitchen with quartz counter space galore. Feel free to cook whatever you want, as your menu can be way bigger than you'd think. On top of the quality craftsmanship that you see here, that's also echoed by the gorgeous, robust banister that leads its way downstairs, I'm sure you're also going to enjoy the fingerprint-free pewter appliance set. Here's your entrance to the backyard. We're going to touch on that a little bit later, but I think your patience needs to be a little bit bigger than you'd think because there's a lot more on this main floor. And the inventory of this main floor is bigger than you'd think, with 2 more full bedrooms plus also a renovated bathroom. That's just gorgeous. Though you can happily live pretty much on the main floor, you know what? Your family can be bigger than you think. Let's go upstairs. This top floor is fantastic for family or friends, as you have 2 large bedrooms with big bright windows letting in tons of light, also sharing a full 3-piece bathroom. How's about that? Yep, the view from the expanse of this upper bathroom plus also this clawfoot tub are bigger than you'd think. And also the inventory of features and finishes in this finished basement are way bigger than you'd think as well. How about a bar, also room for a pool table, but also room for shuffleboard or workout, and you also have full laundry that is a finished space. With a basement like this, if you thought you had a lot of friends that wanted to hang out on a Saturday night, well, let me tell you, your list is about to get bigger than you'd think. Now, living out in the country, you can have parties that are going to be way bigger than you'd think off this huge back deck that moves into this fantastic cooking and entertaining space with outdoor plumbing. Ooh, you know what? I think that pig for the roast is going to be bigger than you'd think. Now with a separate garage with hydro plus an additional barn for even more storage, your storage needs are much bigger than you think. And I think you're going to enjoy roasting your hands in front of this open fire, because with no neighbors to complain, this roaring fire can be way bigger than you'd think. And might I add, this Armour Stone's retaining wall budget is a little bit bigger than you'd think. And if that's not enough and those parties just keep going, well, they're going to end on a nice note with a beautiful large expanse that is, well bigger than you think from this nice little privacy surround around this hot tub. The chance to live out in the country is almost at your fingertips. So call Daryl Watty, Chestnut Park.